Hello guys, how are you? Hope all of you are doing fine and in good health. This is a pair Aussie dollar and Japanese yen. Let's start doing this. I will keep it brief as much as possible. The actual range is from here to here, and this double top has created this bottom, and we got a double bottom from here in weekly time frame, which created this uptrend from here to reach here. So let's break these things down one by one so you understand what is going on in the market. The actual range was this, and if you can see that in 50% of the range the price almost remain here for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 months, almost one year, more than 1 year the price remained here. And again here it created a double bottom in the monthly range. Here after this low it went up here and it created a double bottom here in month, and it tried to break out of this 50% range we just saw. It tried to break this 50% range a couple of times, 1 2 3 4 5, and later it was successful able to break this out and creating this double bottom again. If we measure the range, current range now, we can see this price has reached more than 50% of that, and after reaching the peak price here, it came down and it went up, and we don't know what caused this to came down, because it doesn't have a double top here in relation to here, and also it came down here. We don't know what caused this to stop the price here getting more bearish and it started being bullish again. So that is the take from the monthly, what you call, that is the take from the monthly time frame. Now if we move to weekly, we have worked out here and found that this is the reason the weekly double top happened. What we couldn't define here in monthly, here this guy, why the price stopped here, because this guy, this is the same guy here, and it created this weekly double top here. You guys see, this is the current situation. But before we go to that, we would like to see what caused this 50% area then started. And what I have found that we have a double bottom in 4 hours in this area, which is far back here. This is the area which is controlled from here. If we go here, you guys can see there is a single color, opposite color candle here, and this guy caused this double bottom. I sorry, I beg your pardon. And this caused the caused, where is that? Hold on, let me find it out for you guys. Okay, so this caused this double bottom. If we go to weekly time frame, it will be more easy to find and see. And so the price went out up here again. After this bottom, it came here for 13 months, it remained here, and it started went up here. Then again it got bearish and it made the double bottom here from here in 4 hours, and now again it went up and it created a weekly double top, and that was the last week we have seen this double top has been created. So our current range is in between these two. Let us remove this, we don't need this anymore. So if we measure the current two, the range between the current two double top and double bottom, then this is the range we have in weekly, and this is where the price supposed to come, at least 50% of the total range. And and we have seen that price try to reach here, but it failed. Now there is two catches here. I would like to mention you very clearly so you guys can understand a little bit in details, so things could be visualized easily. Now we had if we go to day time frame, you can see that last week I have predicted the upward bullishness is less likely. That's why I provided this dashed line, and I told very clearly the likelihood, the probability of getting bearish is more strong. That's why I put it in solid lines. And it didn't expect it to come to this where I marked it, but it did came almost 75% of what I have assumed. Now I would like to show you let us get rid of these things. These are not applicable anymore. So let us show you the bigger picture here. We have a very big cup here, if you guys can see, and this big cup is from here to here. This double top has been formed in weekly previous before this double top, and it has retraced. So if we measure this cup, to be honest with you, here the price, the handle supposed to come here, but the price didn't come here. So for the time being we are invalidating this cup until the price reaches here. Just keep it in mind that we have a bigger cup which the price needs to be in this zone to trigger the fulfill the pattern. And on a small size we have another cup here. If you can see, this is a double top already formed, and this is the handle. So if we measure even the same thing here, we can see that it has fulfilled the cup and handle. So based on that, it went up, tried to break out here, but due to weekly double top formation it failed. This cup has failed to perform, and that's why I measured that if it could have been broken away this weekly resistance on the top side, then it could have been reached to this level, which is 50% is again will emerge as a monthly double top later on. So at the moment I don't see this. Let us leave it here for the time being. Let's not take it under consideration. My way of thinking is that AUD/JPY will be bearish this week also, and the reason for that is that it needs to fulfill this half 50% of the total range it has already created. So price, I am expecting the price to be here. Maybe it will go take some liquidity from here and then it will come back here, and once it's fulfill its journey to this point, then we have to monitor the price action, because it will open up this this is you guys can see that there is a very opposite color candle, and this is very powerful candle because it has stopped this whole upward trend here on 50%, this simple candle. So we have to keep it in mind that here the price will be resisted one way or the other if the price comes to this zone. And here another thing I need to consider is this: once the price reach to this zone, we have to watch for the price action. If this zone is broken, the price will come down here back again, and if this zone is broken again, the bigger cup handle will be activated, coming the price here, which I have shown earlier in this video. So let's say something like this can happen. This is my prediction, and it will try to push the price a little bit higher here maybe, but it will take the fair gap value here all will be taken out and it will come down here. That's it for AUD/JPY. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe, share and press the bell icon. I would really appreciate that. Thank you very much.